The first step will be to log into your Timekeeper wallet. Once you're there, look for your Blum wallet, this right here, click on it. Okay, you can see I've got multiple wallets here, that's why I had to select that one. So having selected it like this, I would log into my Blum app. Once I'm there, I'll go to the wallet section. Once I'm here, I'm going to ensure that I connect my Timekeeper to this. You can see I've got it already connected. If you click on that right there, it would show disconnect. I don't want to disconnect it, but you can just come here and then click on that to connect that wallet to your Blum app. Okay, and that's if you've not connected it already. Once it is connected, the next step will be to go to the earn section. Follow me closely. Once you're here, the next will be to slide to this. Okay, the turn station quest. Okay, then once you're here, click on open and complete all 3 tasks. Okay, and they're simple. Play the turn station game, join the turn station TG channel, and follow turn station X. After completing all 3, claim your points. Okay, claim your points and you would receive 999 Blum points. I don't know why this one is still reading. I've completed it, but you would receive 999 Blum points after completing all 3. That's not all. The next step will be to go to turn station. Okay, you can just click on this link and that's going to take you to turn station. Go to the wallet section, go there. Once you are here, okay, ensure that the wallet connected here is the wallet connected to your Blum. Very, very important. Okay, so I'm gonna disconnect this. So the wallet is now disconnected, so I'm gonna connect this wallet to the one I connected to my Blum. So I'm gonna go to Timekeeper. You can see I am prompted to connect to turn station. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the connect wallet, enter my passcode. Again, if you're wondering why we're doing this, when turn station launches, 1% of their supply is allocated, okay, for people who complete what I'm showing in this video. The next is to complete this October event, and to complete this, you will need to sign a transaction using your connected wallet. So all you need to do is to click on start, and that is gonna take you to your wallet. I've got no funds now. I'm gonna fund it later and do it. Okay, once it brings you here, you'll be prompted to sign the transaction. Okay, so I would need about 0.2 turn to do this. So you need about 0.2 turn to do it. So that's pretty much it. If you've got about 0.2 turn, you can go ahead and do this. If you remember, those who participated in the X Empire game, right? The X Empire team allocated, I think, about 2% of their supply for those who participated in the Blum quest. Okay, there was this kind of Blum X Empire quest in the past, and those who participated, the Blumers, okay, received more X Empire tokens. Okay, so it's a similar thing here. When turn station launches, okay, you are going to be part of that 1% if you do this. If you're interested, this is exactly how to go about doing it. This is for this video. This is Pixel Bees and Zagai Ken signing off for now. Let's go.